Real wealthy people rarely post about their wealth. उनके इंस्टाग्राम पे लग्जरी कार्स नहीं होती, पर उनके पोर्टफोलियो में कंपाउंडिंग क्वाइटली काम कर रहा होता है. They move quietly, but their habits scream discipline, clarity, and purpose. Because wealth isn't about how much you show, it's about how long you can sustain. आज हम बात करेंगे उन 7 हैबिट्स की जो क्वाइटली वेल्थी लोग फॉलो करते हैं. Not flashy millionaires, but people who are rich in mindset, habits, and freedom. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. ये behavioral finance के proven principles हैं, जो long-term wealth बनाते हैं. Quietly wealthy people don't chase instant results. उनके लिए short-term volatility एक distraction है, long-term direction उनका focus है. Behavioral finance is simple. Humans are wired for present bias. We want results now. But the wealthy, they train their minds to think in decades. Warren Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." और ये बात सिर्फ इन्वेस्टिंग पे नहीं, लाइफ के हर डिसीजन पे अप्लाई होती है. Next time you make a financial decision, ask yourself, will this still matter 10 years from now? Rich log patience को profit में convert करते हैं. For the quietly wealthy, money is not a symbol of status. It's a source of freedom. उनके लिए पैसा एक टूल है, एक शील्ड, not a showpiece. Behavioral psychology के हिसाब से हम सबका मोटिवेशन 2 टाइप का होता है. Extrinsic, to impress others. Intrinsic, to improve yourself. Quietly wealthy log intrinsic goals chase करते हैं. Ever met a millionaire who looks broke? Maybe he's smarter than you think. Because peace of mind is a better ROI than social validation. Discipline is difficult when it depends on mood. That's why quietly wealthy people design systems, not motivation. Imagine Elon Musk in his early 20s setting up a rupees 5,000 SIP every month. Koi fancy stock picking nahi, koi trading nahi, just automation. 10 years later, that small system grows into rupees 12 lakh. Because compounding doesn't need excitement, it needs consistency. Automate your SIPs, bill payments, emergency fund transfers. When you remove emotion from action, results become predictable. Most people earn more and spend more. Quietly wealthy people earn more and invest more. This is called the hedonic treadmill. जैसे जैसे income बढ़ता है, expectations भी बढ़ते हैं. But smart people know, रियल अपग्रेड एसेट्स में होता है, लाइफस्टाइल में नहीं. एक पर्सन सैलरी इंक्रीज के बाद आईफोन 15 ले लेता है, दूसरा वही पैसा म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करता है. 5 साल बाद एक के पास पुराना फोन है, दूसरे के पास ग्रोइंग पोर्टफोलियो. डू यू नो 70% Indians spend their full salary every month, and that's why most stay busy, not wealthy. The ability to say no is a hidden superpower. Because every yes costs you time, peace or money. Behavioral finance कहते हैं, humans have FOMO bias. We chase everything that looks shiny. Next stock tip, next crypto trend, next business idea. But quietly wealthy people understand opportunity cost. They reject hype-driven meme coins or get-rich-quick schemes. They value focus more than excitement. Saying no today creates space for bigger yes tomorrow. We live in a world where everyone's broadcasting their plans. But quietly wealthy people, they're busy executing. Talking gives a false sense of achievement. Brain dopamine release होता है जब हम अपने goals share करते हैं और फिर action लेने की energy कम हो जाती है. Elon Musk doesn't tweet every step. He builds rockets. Successful founders don't post progress. They build silently. Track your goals privately. Silence is not weakness, it's your focus zone. We often think wealth comes from predicting markets. But quietly wealthy people know it comes from controlling behavior. 2020 market crash. कुछ लोग panic sell कर गए और कुछ लोग calmly buy करते रहे. 2 years later, the calm ones doubled their portfolio. This is called emotional intelligence in finance. Markets reward patience, not panic. Don't focus on headlines. Focus on habits. Because mastering yourself is more profitable than mastering the market. If you want to start your quiet wealth journey in 2026, build 3 systems: earning, investing, protecting. Learn one high-value skill, freelance, content, or consulting, kuch bhi. The more you earn ethically, the more options you create. Automate your SIPs, keep 70% in long-term assets, and avoid noise. Have an emergency fund of 6 months and term insurance, because true wealth isn't just earning, it's sleeping peacefully. Quiet wealth doesn't happen overnight. It's built in small, consistent steps, compounding quietly in the background. So tell me, कौन सी हैबिट आप पहले इंप्लीमेंट करने वाले हो? Comment below. I personally read every response. And remember, wealth isn't about being loud, it's about being free.